Glimpses of Modern Science, Class 8. Chapter 18. Pollution of Air and Water. Air and water are essential for survival. Animals need oxygen, water, and food, which they obtain from air, water bodies, and plants or animals. While we can live without food for some time, survival without air is impossible even for minutes, showing the importance of clean air. Air mainly contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and small amounts of carbon dioxide, argon, methane, ozone, and water vapor. When mixed with smoke, dust, or harmful gases, it becomes polluted and dangerous for life. Air pollution and sources. Air pollution is caused by the presence of harmful substances in the air due to human activities. Substances that contaminate the air are called pollutants. Major pollutants are dust, smoke, carbon particles, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, lead, and other harmful chemicals. Sources of air pollutants. Natural sources include dust and smoke from forest fires and volcanic eruptions. Human activities like burning firewood, dung cakes, vehicle exhausts, factories, and power plants add major pollutants. Main causes and effects. 1. SPM. Minute solid particles from fuels and factories cause lung diseases and reduce photosynthesis in plants. 2. CO. Produced by incomplete fuel burning, poisonous, reduces oxygen in blood, may cause death. 3. Excess CO2 traps heat, causes global warming. 4. SO2 causes respiratory problems, reacts to form acid rain. 5. NO2 irritates eyes, lungs, forms nitric acid, causes acid rain. 6. CFCs, damage ozone layer, allow harmful UV rays. 7. Smog, thick fog mixed with pollutants, causes asthma, cough, sneezing. 8. Lead, from vehicle exhausts, causes mental disorders and brain damage. Prevention of air pollution. Conservation of air means preserving its quality by preventing pollution. Steps include: 1. Grow more trees, absorb CO2, release oxygen, reduce dust. 2. Use smokeless stoves and LPG, instead of firewood or dung cakes. 3. Adopt clean fuels like CNG and unleaded petrol, for vehicles. 4. Switch to alternative energy, solar, wind, hydropower. 5. Avoid burning plant waste, use compost pits. 6. Use electrostatic precipitators, in factories. 7. Scrub factory gases with water. 8. Spread awareness, in families and communities. Acid rain. 1. Burning of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum releases sulfur dioxide, SO2, and nitrogen dioxide, number 2. These gases react with water vapor in the atmosphere to form sulfuric and nitric acids, which mix with rain, making it acidic. This acid rain corrodes marble, limestone, and metal structures, damages statues, monuments, and buildings, harms aquatic life, and damages leaves by removing nutrients. It reduces plant growth, affects crop production, pollutes soil, and poses a serious threat to the environment and vegetation. Greenhouse effect. The sun's rays warm the earth, and some reflected heat is trapped by the atmosphere, further raising temperatures. This process, similar to heat trapped in a greenhouse, is called the greenhouse effect. It occurs due to gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and CFCs. It is essential for life, as without it the earth would be too cold. It also helps farmers grow crops in cold regions and allows homes in cold countries to stay warm. Global warming. Deforestation and human activities increase carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. With fewer trees to absorb CO2, excess gas traps heat, preventing it from escaping into space. This strengthens the greenhouse effect and gradually raises Earth's average temperature, a process called global warming. Its harmful effects include rising sea levels, flooding of coastal areas, changes in rainfall patterns, negative impacts on agriculture, forests, plants, and animals, and melting of glaciers like Gangotri in the Himalayas, posing a serious global threat. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water due to the mixing of unwanted materials, mostly from human activities. Polluted water becomes unfit for drinking, domestic, or industrial use. Major causes of water pollution: 1. Domestic wastes and sewage, kitchen, toilet, and bathroom water is discharged untreated into rivers, adding urine and fecal matter. 2. Rainwater runoff washes away human excreta, animal dung, garbage, fertilizers, and pesticides into rivers. 3. Faulty drainage systems. In slums, potable water often mixes with dirty gutter water. 4. Industrial discharge. Chemical, leather, textile, paint, and dye industries release poisonous metals like lead, mercury, chromium, and arsenic, killing aquatic life. 5. Hospitals and laboratories discharge chemicals that flow into rivers with rainwater. 6. Oil spills. Accidental spills form layers on seawater and kill marine animals. 7. Disposal of dead bodies. Humans and animals disposed in rivers cause pollution. Though flowing rivers can purify some pollutants with microorganisms, excessive pollution makes water poisonous for aquatic life and unsafe for humans. Some effects of water pollution. 1. Epidemics. Contaminated water spreads diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, and jaundice, especially in rainy seasons when gutter water mixes with drinking water. Microorganisms from fecal matter and animal dung cause these diseases, and even worms may enter as tiny eggs. 2. Chemical accumulation. Harmful chemicals get stored in tissues of aquatic plants and animals. 3. Skin diseases. Bathing in contaminated water causes skin problems. 4. Death of aquatic life. Polluted water lacks oxygen and contains toxic substances harmful to fish and plants. 5. Unfit for use. Polluted water becomes unfit for agriculture and domestic purposes. Prevention of water pollution. 1. Human and animal wastes should not be discharged into water. Sewage must be treated, and cow dung used for manure or biogas. 2. Industrial wastes should be treated at source with strict laws for safe disposal. 3. Government must periodically purify polluted rivers through projects like Ganga Action Plan. 4. Dead bodies of humans or animals should not be disposed of in rivers. 5. Planting trees and shrubs should be encouraged to clean and beautify the environment. Potable water. Water fit for drinking is called potable water. Clear water without smell may still be unsafe as it can contain impurities, dissolved substances, and harmful microorganisms. Hence, water must be purified before use. Nearly 25% of the world's population lacks safe drinking water. Purification of water. 1. Filtration removes physical impurities. 2. Boiling kills germs and makes water safe. 3. Chlorination. Chlorine tablets or bleaching powder kill germs, but excess must be avoided. 4. Ozone gas or iodine, used as disinfectants. 5. Ultraviolet rays, applied in treatment plants. Since water is precious, we should adopt the principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle.